All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR number 9. It says to simplify 3 divided by 1 1/3. Okay, the first thing we have to do is we have to take 1 1/3 and rewrite it as an improper fraction. So if I look at one whole circle and 1/3 of another circle, so if I break this up, and I want to say I have one whole circle and then 1/3 of another circle. So I can get rid of some of this. I don't want that whole thing. I just want it 1/3 of another. So I needed to draw the whole circle so I could figure out what 1/3 would look like. So we have one whole circle and 1/3 of another circle. How many thirds do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds. So 1 1/3 is the same as 4 thirds. You could do 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 more is 4 thirds, or you could draw yourself a visual. So the first thing you have to do is rewrite that as an improper. So this means 3 divided by 4 thirds. Now you can do your keep, change, flip, skip, flip, multiply. So that's what I'll do. I'll keep my first number. I'll change my division to multiplication, and I'll flip over that second one, 3 over 4. Some people call it keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Some people call it skip, flip, multiply. Who knows, but that's the method you could use. Then you have to take your whole number. 3 is the same as 3 over 1. And then you can multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. 9/4 you'll want to rewrite as a mixed number. So 9/4, if I have 9/4, I could draw out 9/4, and I can do that in a minute. But you could also do 4 goes into 9 twice with 1 left over, so 2 1/4. And if I tried to draw out 9/4, so this is 1 1/3. If I took a spot and I tried to draw out 9/4, I'd say, okay, I have a circle that would be 4/4. Another circle would get me up to 8/4. And then I have an extra fourth. Kind of looks ugly, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/4, and that's the same as 2 whole circles and an extra fourth. So 9/4 is the same as 2 1/4. 1 1/3 up here we found out was 4 thirds. All right, I just wanted to give you a visual how, in my mind, what I see. But always you can just do 4 goes into 9 twice with 1 left over. So it's 2 1/4. All right, so I know that's the answer. I just want to quick show you. Some of you like to at this point. So this is a different method. So this is method 1. And then down here I'll do method 2. Okay, so some of you like to find a common denominator, and I just want to show you that's totally valid. So 3 is the same as 3 over 1. To find a common denominator, you'd multiply the numerator and denominator of this one by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. So you have 9/3 divided by 4 thirds. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that's gone. So then you just have 9 divided by 4. What's 9 divided by 4? 4 goes into 9. 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract off, you got 1 left over, so that's 2 1/4. So 9/4 is the same as 2 1/4. I know some of you like your common denominator method. So I just wanted to remind you that that's also totally valid. Up here is the standard method that most of us use, but common denominator method totally works. All right, hope that helps.